over. I have been running around my house, taking down decor, getting everything put back to where it belongs, and I realized that I am in desperate need of more decluttering. I actually haven't done a really thorough deep declutter in 2 years. I've done like slight maintenance tasks and I've kind of gone through things as I've seen kids outgrow clothes and things like that. But as far as like getting into every nook and cranny of my house, it's been 2 years, and that's a long time. That's since we moved into this house. So let's go through this. Let's go through this space in the new year. Let's do some major decluttering. I'm gonna get my home more organized than it's probably ever been, and I'm really excited to bring you along for that. I obviously need to do some more decluttering today. I also want to just get some deep cleaning done that hasn't been done in a while, as I've been distracted with Christmas. But now that that's over, I feel like I can finally focus on it, and then let's see what other tasks we might get up to in today's video. Thank you for joining me. I'd love it if you click subscribe, and let's go ahead and get to work. A few days ago, I brought you guys down into my basement for the very first time. It is a huge cluttered mess. I mean, there's no other way to put it. It is completely disorganized and there's way too much stuff down there. So the lighting down there is so iffy. I'm gonna go ahead and bring things up into this area. Although it's kind of rainy today and we have limited lighting, I think it'll still be better. So I'm gonna go grab some stuff from the basement. This is another tip. If you feel overwhelmed by a space, it is completely cluttered and you feel stressed in the space, get a bin, a bag, a box, it doesn't matter, and relocate some items. Bring them up into a space where you feel more calm and you feel more confident and you can work with more clarity. I think that is so, so useful. The basement is stressful for me right now, so this works out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bin, fill it with some stuff, and then bring it up into my clean space where I have my candle burning and I'll feel a lot more comfortable. So let's do that first. I just grabbed a ton of random stuff off the floor, off some shelves. Some of this is home decor, some is like homeschool / preschool stuff. Let's just get started. I am gonna make 2 piles. I'm gonna donate this. I know, it's so pretty and I just bought it, but you know what? I didn't end up liking it in my space, so I'm not gonna try it again. I'm not gonna hang on to it. I am just gonna declutter it. This is super cute. I just bought this one. My kids loved it. I'm gonna save that. Oh, some coloring pages that haven't really been colored in. So that's really cute. Declutter. All right, I'm just gonna kind of go through this, holding up things for just a couple seconds and making fast decisions. That way we can get through it quickly and move on to the next thing. All right, let's do it. I have found that holding up an item for no longer than 5 seconds is the sweet spot. If you hold up an item for longer than that, I find that you're more tempted to keep it and you come up with many reasons why you may need the item in the future. So try not to hold on to an item for longer than 5 seconds. Here's what we've got to declutter. That is pretty good. My daughter, she's just outgrown some things, and I feel like we can probably sell it at our local Kid to Kid, which is like Once Upon a Child. It's a kids consignment. Yeah, just stuff we don't use, stuff we haven't looked at, things that can go. So those are all really, really cute. Easter basket, these I'll throw away because it's just a bunch of random stuff. So I'll throw that away, probably keep the scissors. But this goes to a Play-Doh kit that she loves. So I am keeping that. It has a little oven. It's really, really sweet. I'm going to put some things in seasonal bins. So we've got some stuff for Halloween, a darling puzzle we had fun doing this last year, and drawing cute animals, some doodle books. I really, really like those. Some things that I want my kids to do over the summer, like some math drills, some blank notebooks, and some Christmas, more Halloween. Okay, so that's what we're gonna keep. I always like to declutter before I organize. So instead of worrying about all this stuff now, where's it gonna go? Where's its final home? I'm just gonna continue to declutter. So I'm gonna set these things aside and not even worry about it and just go and get some more stuff because I really wanna get through this, get some stuff taken to the donations today. So that's another tip. Don't worry about organizing until you've decluttered. Declutter first, and then you can kind of finalize and see where everything's gonna fit. So let's go and grab some more stuff and just do another bin and see if we can get a massive pile for donations today. This is some decor that I have not looked at in forever. forever. It's super dusty. I think this is like, okay, this is Easter, Valentine's Day. We've got some photos in here. I don't even use this frame, although it's very cute. See if I can get this. Oh, is it broken? This is a completely broken frame. So let's throw this away. I have a new first day of school that I like better. The stuff we're not using. It's so cute. And it's fun to think about the memories that I've had with this. Oh, my Happy Halloween banner. I completely forgot I had this. Okay, I did not set this out. I forgot about it, but I would have if I had remembered. So I am gonna keep that. I'm kind of past the point of decorating very much for myself, but I do really, really value it for the kids. I don't think I'm using these lights. Okay, let's go ahead and do this as quickly as possible. Today was a good reminder for me that when things are completely cluttered and unorganized, you forget about things that you want to use. Just like that Halloween banner. I was so sad to have missed that this year. My kids would have loved putting that on the mantle. So it's just another reason to organize and declutter your stuff, because then you know exactly what you have and you can enjoy it. More donations. This is awesome. Again, stuff I just never ended up setting out. I did keep a little bit for each holiday, but I really wanted to get rid of the majority. These flags have seen better days, so I'm going to go ahead and give those to the Goodwill. And I've got some cute things here. This one has one broken star. We had a debate about this in another recent video. Should you donate things that are broken? Like the rest of this banner is darling. This is a star on the end that can be easily taken off. I feel like I should donate that. Somebody can make that perfect again. Eggs I didn't use. This is really sweet, but I didn't set it out. So many banners. These just don't fit my style anymore. So that is awesome. Look at that. It's only been about 10 minutes and we already have this massive, massive pile for donation. And this is the stuff that I am keeping. A couple bunnies and a few things for the 4th of July. Also in the car, I have already loaded up a bin for the Kid to Kid. I'm gonna try and sell. Here is another bin of donations. This is just stuff that I donated quickly while I was taking Christmas down. Couple things I just found. And then that is a bin of garbage that came out of our garage. As a Christmas gift to myself, I got a new soup pot. This is my old one. It is so worn. Can you see the bottom? I've had this for about 15 years, so it got used and loved. It's amazing. Donate or recycle. I need your help. Okay, look at this. This is my stovetop potpourri. It smelled amazing. I let it burn. It was a huge accident and I have really tried to get this out. What I've done is I've actually simmered baking soda and dish soap and it still didn't come off. It's just really, is it toast? Can I salvage this? I mean, this is really stuck on there. If you will let me know, because I actually really love this pot and I would love to keep it. It's fairly new, but if I can't fix it, then I should probably get a new one, but let me know if you have any tips. All right, let's head upstairs. I actually have some deep down cleaning I wanna do. Semi-deep cleaning, the bathroom and a couple other things. So let's go ahead and get that done. I'm gonna set these pots aside till I wait to hear back from you because I don't know what to do with them. All right, let's go upstairs. I totally forgot before I run upstairs. Look at this. I have let things pile up in this basket. I think, so I don't even know what I think. Some of this is trash, some of it's kids outgrown, some of it is stuff I want. So let's go through this really quickly, empty this out completely. Pup, what are you doing? Are you muddy?
Say sorry, that's naughty.
Couple things I'm gonna keep. This little cart is for the elf on the shelf to go shopping. Couple things I'm gonna donate, and then I need to put these in the piano bench. When it comes to resetting your home, especially after something really big like the holidays, I think it's important to remember not to try and get too much done at once. Just take it easy, chipping away at things a little bit at a time. Like I said, the other day, I spent several hours in the main living area and then I took a break. I saved the laundry and the vacuuming and the bathroom for another day. And that's a really, really nice suggestion, I think, is just to pace yourself and not worry about getting everything done at once. Part of pacing yourself is pausing and making sure you have time to rest and do things that you enjoy. So today I'm going to be making my favorite French bread loaf. This recipe is so easy and it just whips up beautifully every single time. I will have the recipe for this in the description box. Again for joining me, friend. Again, please subscribe. I have so many more videos just like this coming for you in the new year. Have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.